gonna make our bread and smoothies. See, let's look at the ingredients. For smoothies, we need milk, a mixer, strainer, some glass to serve, some summer fruits, and one banana. And for our bread, we got a leaf, a plate, a cheese, a bread, a carrot, and baby tomatoes, and a knife, and a grinder. Now we need to grate the cheese. For our bread, we need bread, and we should grate the cheese. Make sure the blade is not wet. We have enough cheese for the all bread. Now we can keep the cheese in the other side. Now we need to take our cheese. Now take one bread and put some cheese on the top. This much will be enough. We are done with the owl breads. Now let's go and make smoothies. It's so delicious. Tummies are full.